16, pretty much. He's dressing Miss Peru this year on stage. I saw Miss Peru. She looked absolutely gorgeous. You also had to dress me. I had the opportunity of co-hosting alongside Miss Universe, Gabriela Isler. And thank God you put me in a bomb dress. I mean, I'm standing next to Miss Universe, but that was fantastic. Tough job. But you got it done, Louis.
It wasn't tough. When you look as beautiful as Roxy, it's not hard to dress you because everything looks good on you, Roxy. Don't be so humble. I know.
I'll buy you lunch later.
So yes, I am dressing Miss Peru, and Miss Peru is going to be wearing a gown from La Casa Hermosa, and today we're going to actually look at a few more gowns from La Casa Hermosa because I want to sort of give you a preview of what we're going to be seeing on Sunday night.
Yeah, let's take a look at this blue one. I did see a lot of blue dresses. The bejeweled color, I'm sure, would look great on a lot of these ladies. 88 women. But tell me more details about this blue gown that we're looking at.
Well, this blue gown, it's all about structure. A lot of girls, you know, they obviously come to Miss Universe with a rock hard body, an amazing body, and they want a gown to really show that off. So you want something with a lot of structure. Silk Mikado, taffeta, fabrics like that really are flattering to the body, and that's why I think we will definitely see a lot of structure this year at the Miss Universe stage.
On the preliminary stage, I saw a lot of white, a lot of bling. This next dress that you brought us from La Casa Hermosa definitely has a lot of that. I could see this on all of the contestants.
Yes, this dress is designed by MacDougall from La Casa Hermosa, and what I love about it is it has the high slit, and at the Miss Universe pageant, it's all about, you know, just really bringing on that wow factor, the sexy. You're on the Miss Universe stage, don't be afraid. So I know without a doubt we're going to see a lot of high slits, a lot of low cuts,
yes,
because the girls have prepared all year for this, so you will definitely see some semi-provocative gowns, but obviously still in good taste.
You mentioned the word bold. I can't think what makes a bigger, bolder statement than wearing a color like red.
Yes, well, red, actually, in the world of Miss Universe, red, in the past 5 years, 3 girls have won in red. So it's becoming sort of a trend to see the winner in red. So I wouldn't be surprised if this year we see another winner in red.
That includes Olivia Culpo, Miss USA. She was crowned Miss Universe in a red garnet color.
Yes, that is correct. And she's now dating Nick Jonas, and she's always wearing red. So, you know, I mean, maybe red works for us. Maybe we need to start wearing red. Maybe.
Awesome, Louis. Thank you so much. I know you're so excited, as are we, of course. The pageant is this Sunday. Can't wait to see Miss Peru, who you worked with, and all the contestants on stage. Thank you for giving us your fashion predictions. You're always on. For more on Luis Calvero, follow him on Twitter. He's at Fabulous. Enough said. The reigning Miss